Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and the person you're dealing with. So on one side I'll be pulling out the cards for your energies, and on other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with. And yes, please feel free to swap your sides, and yeah, and then there will be the most likely outcome. Okay, so let's see what's there for Capricorns. So we have the Emperor on your side, Eight of Wands on your person's side, and the Page of Pentacles as the most likely outcome. So as far as you are concerned, obviously you are in a pretty good position, and I think you are holding the cards of this relationship in your hands. That's what I'm getting. Okay, so you have the control, or maybe that is your nature. It can be something like that, but definitely not a bad thing. If it is too much, then it may be a bad thing. Okay, but yeah, things are under your control. Perhaps with the Eight of Wands on their side, a lot of communication is going on. Things are aligned in a beautiful way as for now. And with the Page of Pentacles, a new beginning is on the cards. So let's see what's going on behind the scenes. Let's see, why is this Emperor here for? King of Cups, okay. The Nine of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles, okay. Let's see what's there on your person's side. Seven of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, and the World. Okay, let's see what's behind this. Page of Pentacles. We have, wow, the Four of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. Okay. So as far as you are concerned, and regarding this Emperor thing, what I feel here is that you have a lot of emotions stirring up within you, but you are in full control of your emotions. That's it. So that is your control. Maybe you have, and that obviously, if you are not investing much, not showing much, then obviously you have the control of the relationship also in your hands to some extent. But anyway, but you are, see, you are very emotional about this person, and what I feel here is that you feel this person is going to give you a lot of joy, a lot of satisfaction. You see this person as your wish fulfillment, and you feel as if they will be able to give you that abundance and that happiness which you are looking for, and that is what over here you are thinking, and that is why you are not yet expressing your emotions, or if you are expressing, then maybe not that much as you feel. Okay, so things are, you are contemplating to some extent, being very wise, being very intuitive, and trying to think as to how much to say, how to proceed, something like that, because deep within you know that this person is going to give you a lot of healing, a lot of wish fulfillment, a lot of abundance and happiness you think you will get from this person. And here with the Queen of Pentacles, yes, again the same thing. You see that this person is going to give you a lot of happiness, and you are pretty sure about it, but things are yet under your control. You have not revealed much. I don't think you have revealed much as far as the communication part is concerned. Even if you have, maybe this person knows that you are in love, but you have not expressed fully. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, So things are still under your control, and that is why this emperor is there. And here with the, on your person side, we have the seven of pentacles, the six of swords, and the world. This person is really into this person. I said there's a lot of communication is and perfect alignment over here. So this person is totally devoted, or I should say rather convinced, and they are really nurturing this relationship to the roots. Basically, they are very focused on nurturing it. They don't want to spoil it at any cost. They are taking care of this relationship. Okay, they just don't want to mess up with it at any cost. And in while they are nourishing this relationship, they know that they are moving away from a negative situation, they are moving away from whatever negative was there in their life, because they feel that this relationship is giving them a lot of nourishment. You also feel the same way, and they also feel that this is the nourishment, this is something important which they are nourishing, and slowly growing this relationship. So it is a deep rooted connection. You are growing it slowly, moving away from this negativity towards abundance, towards a new beginning. Okay, so it's like you've grown up in this you're growing this relationship slowly and slowly, gradually, and just having a keeping a close watch on it, so that it is not disturbed or destroyed in any way because of any damn thing, because this person wants to have a new beginning with you. They see you as their world, and that is how you also see them. It's a beautiful thing. And over here with the page of pentacles, obviously, as I said, there is a new beginning which is on the cards. So here we have for it, we have the four of pentacles, we have the eight of swords, and the queen of swords. So again, in the mutual energy also, what I feel is that you are, there is something which is holding you back in this relationship, in the sense they are negativities, because we have seen the six of swords here also. So obviously there is some sort of a past which has been inhibiting and tough, some sort of an experience, not necessarily in this relationship, but it can be of some other aspect of your life also, or some other relationship. So there is something which has been emotionally problematic in your life, and it has been holding you back from this from stepping up in the relationship. And that is why perhaps this person, you also over here with the king of the cups and queen of pentacles and with the emperor, you are not investing fully, you are not opening up fully, because here in the mutual energy with the eight of swords and the queen of swords, so it speaks about both of you. So there is something which is making you also think and make a proper decision, because you also don't want to revert back on the decision, you also don't want to spoil it. That is why you are taking it slow, you are taking all the time. And here also this person is keeping a close monitor on this relationship, so that because they are nourishing it from the root and they don't want to spoil it. So it is very very precious for both of you, and both of you are trying to sort of make it happen. You don't want to spoil it at any cost. And over here with the eight of swords, it is because there has been a situation in your life that which has been holding you back. Okay, so that is why you're slowly and slowly moving ahead, slow and steady sort of a thing, because you don't want to spoil it, as I've already told you. And with the queen of swords, you are very very guarded. But with the four of pentacles, the relationship is very very close to your heart, the relationship is very close to your heart. You want to guard it at any cost, you don't want anybody to spoil it, or you don't want you yourself also to spoil it in any way. So both of you are trying to understand each other, taking it step by step, growing slowly and slowly, and stepping up slowly and slowly, so that both of you. And with the page also, as I said, there is a new beginning, but it's a page, so it's a small step ahead in a new direction. So you are not rushing into the relationship, and that is a very beautiful thing, because it's very close to your heart, you just want it to happen, and that is why you are taking it slow. It's a very wise thing to do, both of you. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Love is all around you. There is love everywhere all the time. Simply acknowledge this truth. Number 16 or number 7 may be of some significance for you. So basically it's all about love. This is what you need to understand, that it is love. Though you are being cautious, you are being wise, that's fine. But then you just trust that there is love all around you. There's nothing which is bad, nothing which is suspicious, nothing much which is going to be wrong. There's nothing like that in this relationship. It's a beautiful connection, Capricorns. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.